And now, the origins of the moon. Lunar origins. The leading theory of the moon's origins is that a Mars-sized body collided with Earth approximately 4.5 billion years ago, and the resulting debris from both Earth and the impactor accumulated to form our natural satellite. The newly formed moon was in a molten state. How was the moon invented? The Earth formed over 4.6 billion years ago out of a mixture of dust and gas around the young sun. It grew larger thanks to countless collisions between dust particles, asteroids, and other growing planets, including one last giant impact that threw enough rock, gas, and dust into space to form the moon. Who first discovered the moon? Galileo sparked the birth of modern astronomy with his observations of the moon, phases of Venus moons around Jupiter, sunspots, and the news that seemingly countless individual stars make up the Milky Way galaxy. What is our moon's real name? Well, the moon does technically have a name. The moon. You're assuming its name is generic for the category, but the moniker is actually exquisitely specific until Galileo discovered the moons of Jupiter 4 centuries ago. Ours was one of a kind. What is the purpose of the moon? The brightest and largest object in our night sky, the moon makes Earth a more livable planet by moderating our home planet's wobble on its axis, leading to a relatively stable climate. It also causes tides, creating a rhythm that has guided humans for thousands of years. What would happen if the moon disappeared? Without the moon stabilizing our tilt, it is possible that the Earth's tilt could vary widely. It would move from no tilt, which means no seasons, to a large tilt, which means extreme weather and even ice ages. How did the moon get its name? The word moon can be traced to the word Mona, an Old English word from medieval times. Mona shares its origins with the Latin words mitri, which means to measure, and mensis, which means month. So we see that the moon is called the moon because it is used to measure the months. Is moon a girl or boy? If derived from Latin, the moon is feminine and the sun masculine. In Germanic, it's the other way around. The sun and moon are opposites. The angels Aquarius